Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate your autoresponder form into Webinar Ignition. As you can see, I have set up my autoresponder form in MailChimp, but this could easily be Aweber or SendGrid or any other of the email marketing service providers. So I've created my form and I have the raw HTML code. So the idea is to copy this raw HTML code and paste it into Webinar Ignition. So I'm going to do that. So you just go over to your registration page and then scroll down to your option form creator section and paste it into the raw HTML code text area. So what I next need to do is to set the action URL, which is the URL to which the form information should be sent. So I'll just do that. And by the way, the JavaScript Webinar Ignition is taking this from the raw HTML code. Okay, so now the next thing I need to do is to map these fields or match these fields with the ones that are in my raw HTML code. So if you take a closer look at my code, you'll see that I have a field called name, whose name is fname, and this field should be taking the name. And then there's another field called email. Of course, that will take the email address. And then there's another field called city, named city. So these are the fields that I need to map to. So let's do that. So fname matches to fname. There we go. And then email matches to email. And then I have one more called city. So let me add a custom field for that. Match it to the city. And then give it a placeholder. So placeholder for that one can be just city. And then the last one that I have is the privacy checkbox. So I'll just add that and map it to the name of the checkbox, which is this field over here. And if we take a closer look, let me see if I can find it. That is name GDPR 15195, and I've matched it exactly. Okay, so, and if you have any other fields that you need to map to, just pay attention to the name of the fields so that you can recognize them when you're matching them together. And that's it. And by the way, there's some more fields you could add to the form. For example, if you wanted to add the UTM source, or you wanted to send the webinar title or the webinar URL, just add it on, and then Webinar Ignition would add the information for you and send it to your autoresponder. And yeah, that's it. And one more thing is that some autoresponder services require that you send a hidden form field. So even though I may have just these fields in here, MailChimp or Aweber or any other autoresponder may add a few hidden fields, and you may need to add them. So to do that, just add the custom hidden field and just map it to the name of the field that you see in the form. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Okay, so let's proceed to do some testing. Okay, so as you can see, I have 12 contacts. So if I subscribe now or register, I should have 13. Okay, so John Doe. Okay, I must have changed. And then fake email address. And let's say New York. And accept terms and register. That should take me to my thank you page. And if I refresh on MailChimp, I should see a new subscriber. Let's see. Voila.